Hello everyone and welcome to Nectari Business Intelligence, one solution for complete data management and analytics. My name is Jasdeep Bogal and I'm pre-sales engineer for Nectari Business Intelligence, and I will be walking you through this product demonstration today. Nectari Business Intelligence is a fully integrated BI and data management solution that helps you make informed decisions based on real-time data. In this video, we will discover various features and business benefits of Nectari and how it can help you with your data reporting and analysis needs. Nectari helps you gain visibility and insights of your enterprise-wide data, and one of the many ways to achieve that is by having it embedded within your ERP system. Here we have Nectari Business Intelligence embedded within Sage X3, and we have access to the various functionalities which come along with the standalone application itself. For example, to view a Nectari report from within the ERP system, we can go into Data Models and Views, pick a data model of our choice, and open the report that we want to see. And here we have the access to the report, where we can drill down to the account codes and then further all the way down to the document numbers. We can also very easily bring new dimensions and measures into this worksheet by simply going into dimensions and measures and picking a dimension or a measure of our choice and dragging and dropping it into the report. So for example, if we want to bring in actual rolling 12 from the last year, we pick that field, drag and drop that directly into the columns, and here we have a new column called posting rolling 12 for last year under each fiscal period. Beside embedding the whole application within ERP system, we can also embed individual dashboards and create separate tabs for each one of them. So here we have a CFO dashboard, followed by actual versus budget, and further profit and loss, which covers various KPIs that help us gain visibility on our company-wide data. And now we will have a look at Nectari's standalone web application, which can be used on any of the browsers supporting HTML5. Thanks to the pre-built out-of-the-box templates which are tailored to the various ERP systems such as Sage X3, Sage 300, Sage 100, Acumatica, and the list goes on, Nectari helps you achieve a quick return on investment. With the templates which come out of the box, we can either report on real-time data, or we could also use the universal data model, which is based on the OLAP Cube technology, allowing us to connect to multiple data sources and hence report on them. The various modules which are covered under Universal Data Model are Finance, Sales, CRM, Inventory, and each one of them have their own set of reports and KPIs. Let us open one of the out-of-the-box dashboards which come with Universal Data Model, and in this case, we will be opening a Sales Performance dashboard. These pre-built dashboards are extremely powerful and provide you a wide range of industry-standard KPIs along with the various views put together to give you the full story of your business. They are also dynamic, which means we can pick a different dimension, filter on that, and it changes the data across the dashboard. And if we spot an anomaly in the data viewed from these dashboards, we can also very easily jump from these dashboards into one of the worksheets to have more details or investigate further. For example, in this particular view, we can see that the aspirin sales have been much lower as compared to the last year. And if you want to see more details about this product, we could click on the bar and link it directly to one of the worksheets which are available within Nectari. I will choose Sales Summarized and link this directly to this worksheet. And now, as we can see in this worksheet which has just loaded, the filter has been applied on the product ID, which is for the aspirin, which we were looking at in the dashboard. We can further drill down to see the subcategories and also the bill to cities in which the product aspirin is being sold. Now here I can see the Hamburg is a city which actually has the lowest number of sales for aspirin. I would further like to know who is a sales rep in the city of Hamburg. To fetch that information, I can go into Dimensions and Measures, which is one of the tools in the toolbar here on the right-hand side. Go into Dimensions to pick Sales Rep ID. I can grab that field, drag and drop that and keep it wherever I would like. And then drilling down further on this report and then to the city of Hamburg will now show me the sales rep for the city of Hamburg. So clearly we can see it is Hans Groth in this case. And now if I further want to get in touch with Hans Groth and highlight these sales numbers to him and ask him if he needs any help, I can very easily do that with the help of one of the sharing tools where I can send a comment on these reports. Here I can pick the marker, highlight Hans's name and the quantities sold and send him an email where I could provide his email address, add a subject to the email, a message, and the remarks or the annotations that I create on the report appear right here, which will be sent out as an attachment. We can also export this report in multiple formats, such as PDF, Excel, HTML, depending on your choice, and even subscribe to these reports by setting our own schedule. We can also use a more advanced side of scheduling these reports by creating the reporting packs with the help of the scheduler. Here, with the help of web views, we could pick multiple reports and even create a mix and match. So if I want to create some of the financial reports mixed with some of the sales reports, we can very easily do that as well. So here's a list of all the selections I made for finances and some of the sales reports. And then we can create a consolidated reporting pack with the help of which we can add a cover page, table of contents, and add all these reports in that one file. With the help of Conditions tab, we can also define the business rules and hence create the alerts so that the reports are sent out to us based on the conditions defined. In addition to the real-time reports, the Universal Data Model also offers the industry-standard reports such as income statement, trial balance, posting analysis, balance sheet, and even AP and AR. Both these sets of AP and AR reports offer the aging buckets where we can clearly see which of the customers, for example, owe us the money and how long it has been. So here's the list of the different customers. And as we slide through this report, we can see the aging buckets with the different brackets of 1 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, and so on. And we can clearly see from which of these customers do we need to collect the payments. Although we have access to hundreds of different reports which are available to us from the day one with the help of Nectari's both real-time and universal data models, we can also create the reports on our own. For example, if we want to create a new financial report, we could click on the New View option here and select from over 100 different visualizations to create view, graph, chart, maps, or a simple plain worksheet. Clicking on which, we have the different options to choose from. Here I could add a name, select the various columns of my choice to be added into the report, and hence the grouping levels to which I would like to drill down to, which might include fiscal year, fiscal period, and account codes. And it's simple as that. By clicking on confirm, there will be a new worksheet which will be created for us, which will include the various columns and the grouping levels that we selected. And then we can further drill down the fields which are placed right next to each other in the same sequence. So that's how easy it is to create your own reports with the Nectari if it comes to that. There's another way in which we can create the reports with the Nectari with the help of Reports Designer. So opening one of these reports, income statement, we view this report in a much different way from what we have seen before. This feature allows us to add the titles, to manage the titles and add company logos in the reports, create subsections and calculations, and even add a reporting tree, which is a set of different filters which can be customized and managed by yourselves depending on your company's hierarchy. So for example, if I want to see a consolidated view of the company at large, I could simply click on Consolidate it and it gives me all the numbers of the company at large. I could then further go into one of the regions, let's say North America, and it includes all the postings of the various territories within North America. I could further go into one of the sites within North America and then have access to the postings for that particular site. In addition to Nectari's web application, there's also a second platform called Nectari's Excel add-in, which is a full-blown business intelligence solution in itself. And we can create financial reports such as balance sheet, sales reports, dashboards with the help of over 25 different tools which come with simple pick and choose functionality such as data extraction, formula wizard for creating calculations in each one of these cells, do the formula drill down on these reports, create pivot tables, and finally be able to send these reports across the organization. Thanks to Nectari's data management solution called Data Sync, we can easily connect to any one of these data sources, which include SQL Server, OData, Salesforce, Acumatica, Oracle, and even the web APIs. Nectari's Data Sync is based on the ETL technology, which means that after connecting to these data sources, we can then run various extractions to synchronize, consolidate, migrate, and even export the data out of this application and bring it into Nectari for data reporting and analysis. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video gives you a good idea of the various possibilities that await you with Nectari Business Intelligence. For more information, please feel free to contact me at jbogle@tangerinesoftware.com. Myself, Jasdeep Bogal, wish you a very good rest of the day.